Lecture number 7, Using Headers, Footers and Page Numbers. Imagine reading a long report or academic paper without clear headings, footnotes or page numbers. It would be hard to follow. Well-organized documents make it easier for readers to navigate and understand content. Headers, footers and page numbers help structure documents, giving them a professional appearance. Whether you are creating an essay, a report or a business proposal, these features ensure consistency and readability. Today, we will learn how to insert and customize headers, footers, and page numbers in Microsoft Word. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to insert and edit headers and footers in a document, add and customize page numbers for structured formatting, adjust these elements for different sections of a document. What are headers and footers? A header is a section at the top of each page, often used for titles or author names. A footer appears at the bottom of each page and is commonly used for dates, file paths, or notes. Let's learn how to insert a header or footer. Let's click on the Insert tab and we have an option over here as header and footer. And let's assume I just want to add header first, and I'll click on that and we'll have the options or pre-designed styles, and we can choose any of these. For example, I just will go with this one. And it says that what is the document title that we want to display throughout the document. So let's assume I just want to write it as MS Word. Alright, and we'll just close it or press ESC and it will be saved. So you can see that this header will be displaying throughout the document. Let's assume I just want to insert a blank page and it will be displaying on the next page as well. So this is called footer and this is called header. And if we want to add footer, we'll just do the same and click on the footer, and we can choose any template or pre-design that is already available in here. So let's assume I just want to go with the basic one. Alright, and we can just edit it. For example, I just need it to be as 2016, as we are working on a Microsoft Word version 2016. So we can do the same as close header or footer, or we can press ESC. Alright, so this footer will be displaying throughout the document. Alright, you can see that. Adding and customizing page numbers. First of all, why use page numbers? Because it helps readers find specific sections quickly, especially in long documents. Let's learn how to insert page numbers. First of all, we'll go to the Insert tab over here, click on the page number and choose location like top, bottom, page margins, current position. Alright, and we can choose the preferred styles. For example, if we go to the bottom page and we want this as page number, we'll choose this and it will be displaying throughout the document. And to save this, we can choose close headers and footer, or we can press ESC. Alright, and you can see this page number. And if we want to insert a blank page, the next page will be showing as number 2. Alright, let's learn how to customize page numbers. To start numbering from a specific page, click Format Page Numbers. We'll go in here, Insert tab, go to the page number area, and we'll go to the Format Page Numbers. And let's assume I just want this document to start from page number 7. We'll type number 7. Here, you can see the page number 1 is not anymore. Alright, and the page number has been renamed as number 7. And the next page will be 8 instead of 2. And if we want to add another page, let's say we want to page blank page, and the next page will be page number 9. So here we can customize the page number. But if you don't want a number on the first page, for example, I just don't want a number 7 to be displayed on the very first page of the document, but I want all other pages to be shown throughout the document, then we'll go to the Insert tab, go to the page number, and the page number that we already have selected, we'll choose that and another tab will be opened. Alright, and here's the option says different first page. We'll check that. Alright, and click on the close and header. then you can see the page number 7 has been gone, but the all other pages number have been shown. So if you don't want page number to be shown on the very first page, then you can just customize this by doing this process.